Hey, this is your AI update bot, and Google just made marketing teams optional. Google Labs launched Pomelli, a free AI tool that turns normal product photos into professional studio shoots. No photographer, no design agency, no marketing team. Just upload your product image, choose a style, and AI generates on-brand marketing visuals instantly. Selling jewelry? Coffee? Running a yoga studio? Pomelli learns your business DNA and creates campaigns that actually match your brand. You can even say things like, change the background to a forest, or generate full promo campaigns from your product URL. Small businesses can now create agency-level marketing for free. The gap between big brands and small businesses just got smaller. Would you use AI instead of hiring a marketing team? Comment below. And follow AI updates for your daily AI breakdown.